This review is for the brush mode replacement heads for the Philips Sonicare. I absolutely love these things. And if for anybody that has a family or someone who really takes care of their teeth like I do, you will go through the replacement heads really fast, even if you're using it every 2 to 3 months. But what I love about this is it's an 8-pack, it's way more affordable, and it fits perfectly for the family. And just to let everyone know, comes this nice little box. You open it up, and you have your toothbrush heads individually wrapped, and also has a case on the actual protector head on top so you can travel with this really easy. I love this. Simple buy. Great. Takes care of my teeth. Make sure that I have a great smile. My family has a great smile. What I also want to point out is we have a few of these, and so if you have a travel toothbrush, because I'm always on the road, unless you have a home toothbrush, it just makes life simple. And I mean, I can't complain. And also, I want to say that these last about a month longer than the original one, the Philips ones. So give these a shot.